47 shots.
Yo, some things are just really hard to talk about, man. This right here was one of the darkest times of my life. I mean, true story, man. I'm on my knees, I'm in the rain, begging, Lord, please take away my pain, take away my sins, and rid me of the shame. What's my purpose on this earth? Please explain, before this bullet leaves this barrel and embeds my brain. You say you love me, but I don't even feel the same. Who am I talking to? Damn, I feel like I'm insane. I punch the ground until both of my wrists are sprained. Screaming at the clouds with your name in vain. I cry and cry, scream at the sky. Tell me why you won't let me fly. I'm completely broken and you won't reply. Are you really there, or are you just a lie? Please come save me. Yo, I need a sign, cause I can't take no more. Way too much up on my mind. Still no answer back? Yeah, okay, that's fine. So I'm calling it. It's checkout time. Go back inside and grab my black revolver. Unload 5 and thank my problem solver. No more living life deprived. No more judgment, no more lies. No more pride. Tonight, all that pain subsides. Pistol in my mouth, having flashbacks of my kids' smiles. Uncock the hammer and set the gun aside. Julius and Alameda, you saved your daddy's life. I love you.